Imagine this, you walk into your favorite Apple store ready to pick up the iPad mini you've been thinking about for months, but something's off. You notice a lot of empty shelves, and then it hits you. The iPad mini is nowhere to be found. It's not just your store. Reports are pouring in from all over. Apple stores are running out of iPad minis, but why? What could Apple be planning? With Apple's big September event just around the corner, everyone's buzzing about the new iPhone 16, the Apple Watch Series 10, and even new AirPods. But here's the twist. Could Apple have one more surprise up its sleeve? Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you found this video informative and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. For business inquiries, contact us today for expert content creation and advertising your brand or products on our TikTok and YouTube channels. Don't hesitate to email us. Let's take a quick trip down memory lane. The iPad mini 6 was launched in September 2021. It was a big deal. Apple gave it a fresh design with thinner bezels, an 8.3-inch screen, and the A15 Bionic chip. A powerful device, no doubt. But it's been 3 years since then, and we all know how fast the tech world moves. Now here's where things get really interesting. According to Mark Gurman from Bloomberg, Apple considers the iPad mini 6 constrained internally. What does that mean, you ask? Well, in Apple speak, when a product is constrained, it's often a sign that a new version is on the way. So what's cooking it with the iPad mini 7? Rumors suggest it won't look much different on the outside. Apple's sticking with the design that works, but don't let that fool you. It's what's inside that counts, right? First up, Apple's reportedly fixing that pesky jelly scrolling problem with a new LCD panel. Ever notice that slight lag when scrolling? Annoying, right? Well, that should be a thing of the past with the iPad mini 7. And here's the game changer. The iPad mini 7 is expected to be powered by Apple's latest A17 chip. This is the same powerhouse that's rumored to be in the upcoming iPhone 16. But what does that mean for you? Faster performance, smoother multitasking, and wait for it, compatibility with Apple Intelligence. Yes, your iPad mini will be smarter than ever before. Now, if you're wondering, should I buy the iPad mini 6 right now or hold out for the iPad mini 7? You're not alone. It's a tough call. Apple's still selling the iPad mini 6 for $499, but you can snag one on Amazon for $389, a cool $110 off. Tempting, right? But here's the thing, with all these upgrades on the horizon, waiting just might be worth it. And then there's the big question, will we see the iPad mini 7 at Apple's September event? Or will Apple keep us guessing until October when they're rumored to unveil new Macs? No one knows for sure, but one thing's certain, Apple loves to surprise us. And who doesn't love a good surprise? So, are you ready for what's next? Will Apple blow us away with a new iPad mini, or is it all just smoke and mirrors? Let us know what you think in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for all the latest updates. You won't want to miss this. See you at the event, and remember, when it comes to Apple, always expect the unexpected. Peace out.